Well, good afternoon everybody. As you all know, during course we talked about majority and minority cultures. Well, here's a little story about a stewardess who did something on an airplane because a passenger wasn't very happy about the situation. A 50-something-year-old white woman arrived at her seat and saw that the passenger next to her was a black man. Visibly furious, she called the air hostess. "What's the problem, madam?" the hostess asked her. "Can't you see?" the lady said. "I was given a seat next to a black man. I can't sit next to him. You have to change my seat." "Please calm down, madam," said the hostess. "Unfortunately, all the seats are occupied, but I'm going still looking to check if we have any." The hostess left and returned some minutes later. "Madam, as I told you, there isn't any empty seat in this class, economy class. But I spoke to the captain and he confirmed that there isn't any empty seats in the economy class. We have only seats in the first class." Before the woman said anything, the hostess continued. "Look, it's unusual for our company to allow passengers from the economy class to change to the first class. However, given these circumstances, the commandant thinks that it would be a scandal to make a passenger travel sat next to an unpleasant person." And turning to the black man, the hostess said, "Which means, sir, if you would be so nice to pack your hand luggage, we have reserved you a seat in the first class." And all the passengers nearby, who were shocked to see the scene, started applauding, some standing on their feet. Well, as you can hear, this stewardess teaches the woman a lesson, and she confirmed that we shouldn't act that there is a minority and a majority culture.